Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my Arabic learners. Welcome to another video of our Learn Arabic with daily expression. Now, inshallah, today we are going to be talking about some new topics, which is that's from English to Arabic. That this is also going to fast track your Arabic learning. Now, the first one is on the first phrase here is what? How do you say where are you from in Arabic? Where are you from? Where are you from? You say min aina anta. That's min aina anta. Min aina anta. That's where are you from? That's where are you from? Min aina anta. Where are you from? Where are you from? Now, how do you say go there in Arabic? Go there. You say idhab hunnak. Idhab. That's idhab hunnak. Idhab hunnak. That's what go there. Idhab hunnak. Idhab hunnak. That's go there. Now, how do you say why did you come? Why did you come? You will say lima jita. Lima jita. That's lima jita. That's jita. That's why did you come? Lima jita. Why did you what? Why did you come? Now, how do you say where do you live in Arabic? Where do you live? You say aina taskun. Taskun. Aina taskun. Aina, that's a taskun. That's where did you live? That's for what? That's for the for masculine. Now for the feminine, it is what? Aina. That's aina taskunina. Taskunina. That's a nina. That's a aina taskunina. Aina taskunina. That's where did you live? This is for what? For feminine. That's for what? That is for feminine. Now, how do you say sit down with me? How do you say that in Arabic? Sit with me. You will say ijlis ma'i. Ijlis ma'i. That's ma'i. That's what sit with me. Sit with me. Sit with me. How do you say give me water in Arabic? That's give me water. That you say i'til ma'a. You say i'til ma'a. I'til ma'a. That's i'til ma'a. That's i'til ma'a. I'til ma'a. I'til ma'a. Now, how do you say raise your voice in Arabic? Raise your voice. You say irfa'. That's irfa'. That's irfa' sawtaka. Sawtaka. That's irfa' sawtaka. That's what? Raise your voice. Irfa' sawtaka. That's raise your voice. Now, how do you say what happened in Arabic? What happened? You say madha. You say that's ma. You say madha yahduth. Yahduth. That's madha that's what's happened. What's happened? Madha yahduth. Madha yahduth. That's what's happened. Now, how do you say you are wrong in Arabic? You are wrong. How do you say that in Arabic? That you are wrong. You say innaka. You say innaka. That's innaka mukhti'un. Innaka mukhti'un. Innaka mukhti'un. You are what? You are wrong. Now, you are wrong. Innaka mukhti'un. You are what? You are wrong. Now, how do you say I am right in Arabic? I am right. How do you say that in Arabic? I am right. Now, how do you say I am right in Arabic? You say ana musibun. You say ana. That's a musibu. That's ana musibu. That's a what? I'm right. That's a I'm right. That's ana musibu. That's what I'm right. Now, how do you say as you wish in Arabic? How do you say that in Arabic? As you wish. You say kama to read. That's a kama to read. That's what as you wish. Kama to read as you watch, as you wish. How do you say as you see? That as you see. That as you can see. You say kama taro. Kama taro. That's what? Taro, that is what? As you see. That as you can see. Kama taro. Now, that's how do you say what is wrong with him? What is wrong? You say ma lahu. You say ma lahu. That's what is wrong. That's with him. Ma lahu. What is wrong with him? How do you say this is for the what? This is for the masculine. Now for the feminine, how do you say? You say ma laha. That's ma laha. That's ma laha. That's what is wrong with her. That's what that is ma laha. What is wrong with what is wrong with now, how do you say choose again in Arabic? Choose again. You say ikhtaris marratan ukhra. You say ikhtaris. That's ikhtaris. That's ikhtaris marratan ukhra. Ukhra. That's a marratan. That's a choose. It means choose again. Choose what? Choose again. اختارس مرة أخرى. اختارس مرة أخرى. Choose again. Choose again. Now. Now, how do you say I will go home in Arabic? I will go home. You will say Sa'adhab ila bait. That's Sa'adhab. Sa'adhab. That's Sa'adhab ila bait. That's what that I will go home. I will go home. Now, how do you say that I will go to my house? That's in Arabic. How do you say that I will go to my house? That's going to be Sa'adhab ila baiti. That's baiti. That's baiti. That I will go to my house. This is ya. We say ya mukhatab. That I'm referring to myself. That I will go to my house. Now this is what we have for today. Now see me in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.